I received the PERMANIA Lash and Brow Lift and Tint 4-in-1. I absolutely love this product. I'm just going to unbox it here for you guys. It comes with everything you need. It comes with the tools you're going to need. It comes with the little pad you're going to need. It has instructions, which are really simple and easy to read. It comes with your little spoon for your mixtures, your developing liquid agent, your eyelash and brow tint. Comes with a relaxer. Comes with some gloves. And also, here's the lash lifting kit. So you open this up, and this one's got the lash glue balm. It's got the perming, the setting, the essence, and the cleanser. And there are some tools in here as well. So this is an awesome product, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. All right, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how this works. I am going to tint my brows. So we want to start off with the cleanser. You can use like a cotton pad, toilet paper, any kind of cotton product as well. Just squeeze it on. So you just want to wipe that off. Just make sure they're cleansed real nice. Just make sure it's nice and ready and prepped. And then the next step here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put on the glue on my eyebrows. I'm just going to take this, kind of roll it in there into the desired shape that I want. You don't want to use too much because a little goes a long way. So you just kind of brush them into the shape you want. I kind of like that little feathered look. Makes my eyebrows look thicker and it's really natural. So it looks awesome. Same on this side. Just kind of like brush through like this, which is really nice. It holds it up really well too. Okay, now on to the next step. This is the perming. So all you're going to do is just take this little tool right here. You're just going to dip it in. And then you're going to put it on your brows. Just like this. Make sure to get it really saturated all around the brows. Okay, same on the other side. And then you just want to leave this on for 5 to 7 minutes. And then you remove it, and then I'll show you the next step. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off now. Just got to make sure it's dry before I do the next step. All right, so next step here is going to be your setting. Open that up. For this one, this is the kind of brush that I like to use. You're just going to dip it in. Just like that. And brush it up. Like that. You want to do it with the natural arch of your eyebrow. Go and do the other side. Just make sure to really get those eyebrows saturated. Get a little bit more here. All right, so you have to let this set for about 5 to 7 minutes as well. And then on to the next step. Now I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off. Do that. Make sure they're dry. The next step is the coloring. So for here, you do need 1 parts equal of each. So I did do 6 squirts of this one and 6 squirts of this one. I mixed them together in this little spoon, and you have to mix it together for about 3 to 5 minutes. So while my other step was processing, I went ahead and I mixed this together. So this is the next step. I'm just going to show you how it's done. You just want to coat your brows with it. This is to dye your brows. Make sure you get it nice and saturated as well. And just go in the natural arch of your eyebrow. Okay. I'm going to just do a little line underneath, just to kind of create that straight little look. The beginning of my eyebrow. All right. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. Same thing over here. Get real precise with it. You can do little touch-ups, wherever you think it needs it. All right, so we're gonna let this set for about 8 to 10 minutes, and then I'll show you the next step after that. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this off. You just wanna make sure it all comes off. I absolutely love the look it gives, because when I'm doing my makeup, I don't even have to worry about putting on any eyebrow powder, pencil, any of that stuff. I can just wear it natural like this. It does come off a little bit dark at first, but after a while, it does look a little bit more natural. It's just the first day. So I'm going to go ahead and show you my next step. This is the essence. So this is the oil. And so you do want to condition your brows with this every day. Just going to dip it in a little bit. And this just nourishes them, makes them look nice and shiny. Makes your brows feel really nice. I like the shine it gives to them. It's a really, really great product. So you can also do this with your lashes as well. As I showed earlier, it does come with all of the lash essential tools that you would need. And it does show you all the tools over here in the kit, as well as how to do your lashes. So this is a really, really great product. I love this product. It does last a few weeks, and I love the color, and I recommend it to anyone.